Today we're here in Lighthouse Park in West Vancouver. We're exploring this place with our son with a stroller. So far so good. It's still stroller friendly. We took the Beacon Trail, I think. There are so many trails here, you know, tons. We took this Beacon Trail, Lane Trail, came here. There's one viewpoint from here, another from here. We also saw the viewpoint from here too. There are a lot of other trails. We were supposed to go here, Shore Pine Point, but we couldn't because it's not stroller friendly. It's steep actually. It's downhill. My son, he is going downhill with us in his stroller. Yes, we're in the Beacon Trail. Arham saw a snail. He's talking with it. Yeah. You like the snail, Baba?
He literally just stayed on my body the whole time.
There are a couple of posters here. Says like this place is great when it comes to biodiversity. They have tons of stuff here, you know, like they have birds, some reptiles, butterflies, and also otter. I've never seen an otter by myself. Hopefully you'll see it today. There are so many birds here, I think. Unfortunately, I haven't seen any already. We took the Beacon Trail, and you can see there are a couple of views here. It goes to Lighthouse, which is called East Beach. So let's see. Okay, if we can do that one. I'm seeing tons of lodges here. I check online whether they can be rented. There are so many lodges here. I don't know if they're paid or, you know, for the rangers. We're going to the East Beach and we'll be able to see the lighthouse from here. The road to the East Beach is a little bit rough, so you have to be careful. So this is the view from the East Beach. Here we are, just get another viewpoint of Lighthouse. It's a little bit hidden, but it's still good to see from here.
Cypress Mountain. And then the only took this one.
There is a gate here with a name called Atkins. Come through here and you will see this majestic view. So we're here at the Point Atkins Lighthouse. It's actually great, like it's right over there, and this is, I think, the one of the closest spots where you can see the lighthouse. We took the east. First we took the Beacon Trail, then the East Trail, and there are like two sections. We took the right one, then we landed here. So according to this information, this lighthouse was replaced. It actually replaced an 1875 building, of which the foundations of the keeper's dwelling survive. There is some information about this lighthouse and life on the rock, the keepers of the light. It's just majestic. I wish I could go a little bit near. I can hear a lot of birds chirping. I've seen a couple, but I couldn't take them. I shot them on the video, you know. But it's good to see some birds here. If you want to go close to the beach, this is one of the way to do that. But it's a little bit tough. So if you have a baby or a stroller, so we decided to not go this way. But it's amazing, so many big trees here, you know, like, and a lot of viewpoints, oceans, sound of oceans. If you like hiking, you know, like going on different paths, there are so many paths here. This one is called Salmonberry Path, and the one this way is called Seven Sisters Trail. We'll explore a little bit, but not much. We took the Seven Sister Trail, but it's not that stroller friendly, so we're just heading back using the Beacon Trail now. Overall, I kind of like this place. You can walk 20 minutes from the parking lot, and you'll be able to see the lighthouse, the ocean. If you want, you can even go close to the beach. You can get down. So overall, I recommend this park. Yeah. We left our strollers over there. We're going to pick it up. There are so many different places where you can see the lighthouse from. We've seen it from like 3 places, 3 viewpoints, but honestly speaking there are so many others, but we have a baby with us, so we can't explore all the area. So I just need to watch some other videos of the same place from other creators, and maybe they'll be able to provide you with the other viewpoints.